Okay, now we're going to look at, buckle down, page 20, number 4, 5, and 6 together. Number 4. A restaurant has seating for 165 people. The restaurant offers a $15 buffet. If the restaurant is full and everyone orders the buffet, how much money will the restaurant earn? Alright, so we need to multiply 165 times 15. Once again, you need to do 165 times 5 and 165 times 10. Alright, let's do 165 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30, plus that 2 is 32. 5 times 1 is 5, plus that 3 is 8. Now let's do 165 times 10. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 1 is 1. Alright, that will be 5, that's 7, that's 14, carry 1, 1 and 1 is 2. Put a comma at thousands place. So it will be 2,475. Choice B. Number 5. Malik answered 121 math questions last week. If he completes 121 math questions each week for 36 weeks, how many math questions will Malik complete in all? Alright, so we need to multiply 121 times 36. So we need to do 121 times 6 first, and then we will do 121 times 30. Alright, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12, carry 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus that 1 is 7. So 121 times 6 is 726. Now let's do 121 times 30. So we need a placeholder 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Now let's add the 6, 5, is 13, carry 1, and that will be 4. And put a comma at thousands place. So it will be 4,356. Choice B. Number 6. A bus line has 64 buses in its fleet. Each of the buses can seat 84 passengers. How many passengers can the fleet of buses seat at one time? Alright, so we need to multiply 64 times 84. Alright, 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1. 4 times 6 is 24, plus that 1 is 25. Now let's take care of 64 times 80. So we need that placeholder 0. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 6, 48, plus that 3 is 51. So 64 times 80 is 5,120. Now we're going to add these two numbers. So there will be 6, 7, 3, and there will be 5. Put a comma at thousands place. So answer is 5,376.